In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so the process is smooth and final. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website. Once you're on the homepage, look for your account menu and open settings. This is where Grok keeps all of the controls related to your profile, preferences, and data. Before you continue, take a quick moment to confirm you're working in the account you intend to delete. Deleting an account is permanent, so it's worth double checking. Inside settings, find the section called Data Controls. This area focuses on how your information is stored and managed. If you want to keep any conversation history or other personal records for your own reference, consider saving that now, because once deletion is confirmed, recovery isn't possible. Within Data Controls, choose Delete. At this point, Grok will route you to the central account portal used to manage your data across services. That portal helps ensure deletion is secure and correctly tied to your identity. In the account portal, open the Data tab. This tab is dedicated to tools that let you review, manage, or remove personal information. Look for the Delete option here as well and select it to start the final confirmation flow. You'll typically see a clear explanation of what deletion includes, such as removal of your profile, settings, and associated content, along with any timelines for processing. To confirm, you'll be asked to type the email address linked to your account exactly as it appears. This extra step prevents accidental deletions and ensures you're the rightful owner. Enter the email carefully, watch for typos, and then click Delete to finalize. If any additional on-screen prompts appear, follow them to complete the process. After confirmation, your account is scheduled for deletion. Some data removal steps may take a little time to propagate, but you should consider the account closed from this point forward. If you had an active plan, it will be tied to the account's status. You can review any final billing details in your receipts or payment history. Once deletion begins, access will end and you'll be signed out where applicable. That's it. You went to Grok, opened settings, navigated to data controls, selected delete, moved to the account portal's data tab, confirmed delete, and finished by entering your email to authorize the change. Thanks for watching and take care as you manage your data online.